everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty rainy here in BC. There's a lot of flooding. It's a state of an emergency. None of the parcels are getting through. The bridges are washing out. So it's a pretty scary time. We're still alive, thank God. We haven't had to evacuate yet, but that may be next. So we're just getting things together to evacuate, so that should be exciting. So we'll see what happens. I'm a little bit scared because you just don't know if you have to evacuate. Do you have a house to come back to? Are you homeless? So yeah. So we'll see what goes on. But today I have an unboxing. Purelator got through, so thank God for them. They got my Pandora through, so God bless you, Purelator. Appreciate it. And I will be doing Vlogmas unless I've evacuated, and I will leave a post on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style. And so hopefully we won't be evacuating, I hope. The pipes, not the pipes, but the pumps are very old, unfortunately, and hopefully they will stay. If they don't stay, then basically the lake overflows and then you get more flooding. So there's already a lot of washouts, mudslides. Highway 1, which is like the main highway in Canada, is closed. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. And the bag of the day is still my Walt Disney graffiti bag, which is a pretty cool bag. It's a little camera bag. It does hold quite a bit for being very small. This is a very small bag, but for under $20 US, I mean, you can't really beat it. It was from Primark in Florida, and one of my personal shopper, Betty, hi Betty, we all love her. She's excellent, so I will definitely leave her information below. If you're wanting anything from Disney, she will definitely get it for you, and she's very reasonable, so definitely check her out. Another thing too, before I get to the Pandora here, real quick, is I had a question on the Chanel No. 5 lipstick, and the question was, does it stay? How long does it stay? Does it come off pretty easily? And to be honest, I put this on, I had a cup of coffee, I didn't eat anything, and about an hour later, I had no lipstick. So, I don't know, for the amount of money that you're paying for this lipstick, I would say it's really not worth it. I mean, the color is beautiful. But it's just not like long lasting, you know, unfortunately. But you just pop it down like that. And the color is like really pretty. It's kind of a brick color. And it's very wearable. But in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half-ish, if I have a drink of coffee a couple of times, basically it will be gone. But I think this is the kind of lipstick that you just wear maybe like occasionally. I'm not sure, but yeah. I don't know. I think from now on, I'm just going to stay with my MAC and my Lancome because they're like half the price. But the colors, see, the colors for Chanel are like gorgeous. So, you know, it's up to you guys, but I think for my money, I don't think I'll be getting any more Chanel lipstick. It's a little bit disappointing. But, I mean, the packaging is spot on. The color is gorgeous. See, the nail polish is gorgeous, but it chips. I've only had this on for like a day, and I already had, like, the sides were chipped off already, unfortunately. But the color, I mean, you can't beat the color. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Got my blade. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Loungefly mini backpack giveaway. So you definitely want to subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff. And make sure you ring the bell because you'll be notified every time I upload videos. And for the ones that want to know, yes, I'm doing Vlogmas. So hopefully I can do Vlogmas, but that's what's on the agenda for the first. So hopefully everything will turn out good. So keep the prayers coming in. Holy Jesus. Alright, let's see what I got here. Alright, this looks like not my bracelet, but what is this? Alright, this looks like Santa with the reindeer charm. Alright. Well, it comes in a little package like that. So you actually do get a box, so that's cool. But you get nothing else. You just get the little package. You get your receipt, return, you know, and what is this? This is just, I think this is like a warranty card. Visit us online. Alright. And then it has Pandora there. Alright, let's check it out. Because I'm putting together my holiday bracelet, so I ordered the Sparkle Charm bracelet. So, okay, this is pretty cool. Let's see what this looks like. It has Santa with the reindeer, and it's like kind of like a blue night kind of situation here. Alright, let me take it out of the... Alright, yeah, this is kind of pretty. Oh, you know, and it's on both sides. It's one of those slider kind of thing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I hope you can see it okay. Let me see on the other side. Yeah, it's on both sides. Yeah, Ted's just checking the water level, so we'll see. Oh boy. Yeah, it's kind of like the Titanic. There's not enough boats for everybody. God. Yeah, it's not the best situation, I'll tell you that. When you have people sliding off the roads and getting killed, that is not good. Alright, so I think you can kind of see it. Oh. I think the top part has like a little moon. Let me see if I can... Sometimes when you kind of tilt them a bit, you can see them a little bit better. Yeah, I think that's a better situation. All right, so maybe they must have just sent me the one charm, and then they'll be sending me my bracelet maybe later on. So we'll see what happens. And I'm expecting my Disney haul tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. It was stuck in Vancouver because the bridges are washed out. So I did call Canada Post to find out where it is. And it's in Vancouver, waiting to be rerouted into where I'm at in Harrison. So we'll see what happens about that. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.